there. So this place comes with like a yard, which is so cool. And a little gate. And it also comes with its own garage, which is pretty cool. You're not gonna talk?
You got your living space, hardwood floors, granite countertop, stainless steel appliances. You have tons of cabinetry and storage space, all energy efficient appliances. Behind you have what you can turn into a second living room or a large dining area. It also has a coat closet for your extra storage.
Extra storage. So I could use the space for like YouTube or like a dining space. I don't know. I don't know yet, but we'll see.
Get a washer and dryer, of course.
This bathroom is kind of big. And it has all this extra like space, which I think is pretty cool as well. The bedroom is a pretty large size as well. Like, this is bigger than my current apartment. It's pretty big. But it only has one window, and I really would like two, but maybe that'll be fine. And this is the closet. And this closet is pretty big. I think it's bigger than my current closet, but I wish like this area had kind of racks, but that's fine. It doesn't have like as much storage space. Actually, I don't even think I need that much storage space. This is like more than enough. It's nice. So it is kind of dark in here, but this is what the 2-bedroom looks like. This would be like the living area and stuff. It's kind of big. It's pretty big. Has a lot of, you know, windows. So a lot of light will come in. This is the balcony. It's kind of big as well. So over here we have the kitchen. So the first one I showed you was a 1-bedroom townhome, and then this is the just general 2-bedroom. This is what it looks like. This is what the kitchen looks like. Basically the same amount of cabinet space, I believe. Maybe just a little bit more, but I think it's pretty much the same amount. It has a bigger like island, but yeah. So this is the 1st bedroom, and I believe this is the master bedroom. The bedroom isn't as big in this one, but it's okay. And then it has one window, which leads to the outside. It has its own bathroom. Hey guys, I know I'm wearing a different outfit, but I came a different day to show you guys the 2-bedroom. This is what the bathroom looks like. Pretty standard. I would say it's kind of small, but I guess it's kind of built for like 2 roommates kind of. So yeah, this is what this one looks like. Boom. And then this is the closet. The closet in here is definitely a lot smaller than the 1-bedroom, but it still provides a good amount of space, I would say. There's a lot of space on the ground. Like there's a lot of floor space. So you could put like cabinets in here and everything. So I think that's pretty good. But I feel like it's kind of limited in the amount of space. So this is the washer and dryer area. I'm so sorry that it's dark in here. Let me see if I can turn on this light. Yeah, so this is the washer and dryer. And it does come in the unit. Then this is the guest bathroom, which is definitely a lot bigger than the bathroom in the other bedroom. For whatever reason, I don't know. I would think that the bigger bathroom would be in the master, but I guess because it's a smaller space and everything, and this is supposed to be the guest bathroom, so they can have more space, I guess. But yeah, this is what this looks like. Also has like a good amount of cabinet space here and a lot of counter space, which is really good. So this will probably be like my, I don't know, guest bathroom slash where I keep all my makeup. Then this, oh my gosh, the lights aren't working in here. Okay. Yeah, this is really weird. I don't know if it's the kind of unit this is, but this bedroom is actually bigger than the master bedroom that has the bathroom attached. Not a lot bigger, but it is bigger. But you guys, look at this closet space. This closet is huge compared to the other one. You would think that this closet would be in that room, but it's in here. This closet is really, really big. So this will probably be like where I keep all my filming equipment and everything. I probably put everything in here just because it's a good storage space. The only thing I don't really like is that the bedroom only has one window. So I would really need my lights in here. But other than that, I think like it's a pretty good size for at least, you know, having my desk over here, having filming space, and then having like where I keep all my sewing equipment and everything. So I think this is pretty good. Oh, it also comes with this light over here, which I think is the cutest thing. Also comes with the overhead lighting over there. My last apartment actually had track lighting up here, but I think it's fine. I kind of wish it had lighting under here, but that's okay as well. So I'm not really sure how I'm feeling about like these apartments. I really like the 1-bedroom townhome. That would probably be like my first pick. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what I'm feeling. I really like the 1-bedroom townhome. Although the 2-bedroom would provide me more space. And the 2-bedroom is just a regular 2-bedroom. It would provide me more space. However, there's not enough light in there like there is in the 1-bedroom townhome. So I'm definitely gonna look at like other apartments in other areas that I would like to live, and then I'll probably just come to a conclusion later on. But these two I'm really liking, but I definitely prefer the 1-bedroom townhome. I get my own parking garage. I have a lot of space in there, and I believe it's almost the same. I think it's a little bit more square footage actually than the 2-bedroom. So I don't know, I'm really liking it, so we'll see.
So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane, I could be your escape.